Hi, my name's Becky Bogart, and this is my story. I was in an accident 20 years ago in California when I broke my neck in the ocean. I went in just for a few minutes. A wave hit me so hard that I hit my chin and my chest on the ocean floor, and I burst fractured my C7, which meant I was paralyzed from the armpits down. In a matter of seconds, went from healthy to disabled. I got my first wheelchair van a year after I was paralyzed, and that was a tough year because I'm very independent and I like driving. Had my van for 20 years, and it's been a great van. I've helped a lot of people. It's helped me a lot. What I really need, I desperately need a new van. My van, it breaks down all the time. I've been stranded on my lift. I've been stranded outside of my van. I've been stranded in my van. I had to wait hours inside my van one time, and I was lucky it was inside. Right now, though, I have to leave my van doors open in the snow and in the rain because it doesn't go back up when I need it to, and I don't want to be stranded wherever I am. And so I need not to have to worry every time I get in my van. Am I going to be stuck in here for hours? Am I going to be able to get in and out? I desperately need a new wheelchair accessible van. My life is very limited right now in what I can do because I don't have a van that's reliable. I can't even go to Glenwood and visit my kids. I have a 2-year-old grandson, and I haven't even been able to spend any time with him because he's all the way in Glenwood and my van barely makes it to the grocery store. So please help me get a brand new wheelchair accessible van. Thank you.